Grab your apron and turn on the screen. Mommy's Katina, the culinary dream. From the spices to the sizzling sounds in her kitchen, magic truly abounds. She takes us on a global cuisine ride, exploring flavors from far and wide. From enchiladas to sushi rolls, every dish has a story to be told.
Hola! Hello everyone! Kamusta? This is Mommy and welcome back to my channel, Mommy's Cuisine. So today, I'm going to cook chicken and broccoli for pap. Chicken and broccoli is a popular dish found in Chinese American restaurants across the US. It's believed to have been developed in these restaurants to cater to American tastes and doesn't necessarily reflect traditional Chinese cooking styles. There are many variations of chicken and broccoli, but some common ingredients include soy sauce, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, and cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Additional vegetables like carrots, mushrooms, or bell peppers can also be added for extra flavor and color. But for this video, I'm going to add some twist to make it different from the one you have tried before. This is gonna be good, so make sure you check the description below for a complete recipe. I'm about to show you the step-by-step. Are you ready? Vamos!
Grab your apron and turn on the screen. Mommy's Katina, the culinary dream. From the spices to the sizzling sounds in her kitchen, magic truly abounds. She takes us on a global cuisine ride, exploring flavors from far and wide. From enchiladas to sushi rolls, every dish has a story to be told. Mommy's Katina, cooking with love and passion. She whips up dishes, delicious sensation, spicy and savory. Her flavors so divine. Join the cooking adventure. It's a taste bud shrine. It's a taste bud shrine. Grab your apron and turn on the screen. Mommy's Katina, the culinary dream. From the spices to the sizzling sounds in her kitchen, magic truly abounds. She takes us on a global cuisine ride, exploring flavors from far and wide. From enchiladas to sushi rolls, every dish has a story to be told. Mommy's Katina, cooking with love and passion. She whips up dishes, delicious sensation, spicy and savory. Her flavors so divine. Join the cooking adventure. It's a taste bud shrine. It's a taste bud shrine. Grab your apron and turn on the screen. Mommy's Katina, the culinary dream. From the spices to the sizzling sounds in her kitchen, magic truly abounds. She takes us on a global cuisine ride, exploring flavors from far and wide. From enchiladas to sushi rolls, every dish has a story to be told. Mommy's Katina, cooking with love and passion. She whips up dishes, delicious sensation, spicy and savory. Her flavors so divine. Join the cooking adventure. It's a taste taste bud shrine. It's a taste bud shrine. Grab your apron and turn on the screen. Mommy's patina, the culinary dream. From the spices to the sizzling sounds in her kitchen, magic truly abounds. She takes us on a global cuisine ride, exploring flavors from far and wide. From enchiladas to sushi rolls, every dish has
Easy, satisfying, and easy to make dish that is perfect for any night of the week. Get creative and add your favorite vegetables to customize the recipe to your taste. I hope you guys try this dish and enjoy it with your family and friends. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes on Mommy's Cocina. Gracias, hasta pronto, adios!
Action!
Get creative and add your favorite vegetables.
grab your apron and turn on